Hi guys, I'm in front of this CAT S75 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. At first, unroll the list of all apps and go to the settings. Then find and select security and click on fingerprint. At first you have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern. Tap on next, re-enter it. And now you can manage notification content. So you can either hide all notifications, you can hide only sensitive content, or you can have it all visible, but I would like to hide everything. Tap on done, click on more and accept. And now you need to locate your fingerprint on the sensor. So all you have to do is to turn your device around. Here you will locate the sensor and just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. So here you can observe the progress. And as you can see, that's it. From now on, you can unlock your device either with this fingerprint, or you can use the backup pattern or pin code that you set, just like that. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.